Yo, what's up? I'm Leo Masbedaski and I want to do a short tutorial on how to save WhatsApp status without making use of a third party application. Yeah, so the first thing you have to do is open your WhatsApp application. Open your WhatsApp application and go to your status. View whatever status you want to view. As you can see, I've viewed all available status on my device. So what you have to do is go to your file manager. Go to your file manager. On the internal storage, search for WhatsApp folder, and click on media. Here it is, status. You can see it is kind of faded. It is different from um the other folders that you can see there. The reason is because it is a hidden folder. It cannot be seen on your gallery or wherever you view your pictures, your videos, your wherever. So what you have to do is, first let me show you my gallery so you will know that it's not like I've saved it somewhere before and I want to just do a magic or something. So let me open my gallery for you. Sorry, my phone is kind of slow. All right, here is my gallery. As you can see, these are all my pictures, my videos. There is nothing there. So going back home, going back to the file manager, status, you long press it, and these three button that is on the edge of your phone, click on rename rather. On the rename, you backspace everything and input the name status. I'm saving mine as status. You can save yours as anything you want to save it as, and you click done. Yeah, you can see now it is different from it is the same thing with every other folder. This is it. This is all the pictures and videos I have viewed. Now let's go back to the gallery. Here is my gallery. Sorry, my phone is kind of slow. All right, here we are. Here is my gallery. I saved it as status. Alright, let me refresh. Let me scan my photos. Alright, here it is. You can see it. This is all I have viewed. Here it is, status. As you can see, these are all the videos. These are all the videos that I have. As you can see, it's still loading. Videos including pictures, everything I viewed on my status today. Here is it all. You can see I don't need third-party application to do all this. So it's a very simple step to take. Here it is. So for those of you that are always seeking for third-party applications to download your WhatsApp status, to do many things, you don't need a third-party application at all. You don't need it. It's very simple. You just need to go to your file manager, long press the status there and rename it. Automatically it is permanent. The reason why the folder is that because it is a 24 hours temporary folder. After 24 hours it is always erased. So that's the reason why it's like that. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'm Leomas Badaski, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mas Badaski. Thank you.